Hi everyone, welcome to Tap Dance Tutorial at Home. This is Anna, and today I have for you an exercise to practice your paddles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So it is more for general level if you want to improve your paddles, but I assume that you already know what a paddle is, even if I'm gonna check it out just now with you, and that you know all the basics basically. So we're gonna just practice it from slow to faster, and just like you know, like scales when you practice on an instrument or whatever. Let me show you first what a paddle is. So in a paddle you have 4 sounds: dig, kick, step, heel. Dig, kick, step, heel. So first thing to consider, I said dig, but if you have checked my previous lessons, it's a dig and a scuff at the same time basically. It's a dig because you don't go off the floor, but it's a scuff because you don't put any body weight, because after you have this one coming. Okay? Dig, kick, step, heel. So you change the body weight. Step, heel. Here. On the step, heel. Step, heel. Okay? Dig, kick, step, heel. Dig, kick, step, heel. Dig, let me show you. So this is the paddle. Okay, so of course you don't do this with the ankle, you leave it mellow when you do the scarf or the dig or whatever. It's a paddle anyway. Up, 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 here as well. Check the sensation. Okay, very good. Let's just do a few paddles with the metronome, just to have a reminder. Okay, get ready. I'm going to put the metronome not too fast. I'm going to put it at 80 so that everyone should be able to do it. Okay, so 3 things that you need to pay attention. Hold your core, change your body weight as soon as you do the step, and keep the ankle very mellow. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, and dig, kick, step, heel. Dig, kick, step, heel. Dig, kick, step, heel. Dig, and again. Cool and easy. And again. Very good. So now we're going to do 2 slow and 4 faster. Okay, let me show you. And slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Check the ankle. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your core. Excellent. Now that you get it, let's do it at 120, okay? Or maybe 110 first. Like this. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and up. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and again. 2 more times. 1, 2. And 1 more last time. It was 3 more times. And stop. Okay, well done guys. Shall we try a 130? Yeah? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and very good. I can see you. Okay, 2 last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And 1 more time. And stop. Well, it's going very good. I think we are ready to try 150 now. Let's do it. Hold your core. Okay, very good. Hold your core, change your body weight, and mellow ankle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Very good. Last time. 2 more times. And 1 more time. Okay, excellent. Well, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. So don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time here. Give a thumbs up to the video, and I see you on the next one. Bye!